Everyone who builds a pond wants a clear, healthy water for their fish, plants, and their own viewing pleasure. Today on the Family DIY channel, I'm going to show you my filter that I've been running for 24/7 for just over 4 years that has produced clear, healthy water without any problems. The bioactive pressure filter works by keeping our pond clean and healthy with both mechanical and biological filtration. The filter is a simple design. It has an inlet and an outlet and a backflush with a simple turn knob to change the direction. Inside is filled with bioactivators, which provides large surface area and unrestricted water flow for improved cleaning as well. During the backflush operation, bioactivators provide unrestricted water flow to all the surfaces so that the dirt and debris are thoroughly removed while leaving the beneficial bacteria on the bioactivator surfaces intact and robust. Another benefit with the backflow is the water that comes out is great for watering your plants with all the nutrients from your fish. After 4 years of use, I highly recommend you give the Tetra Pond Bioactive Pressure Filter a try. The best part about it is it comes in 3 different capacities: a 1,500 gallon, a 2,500 gallon, and a 4,000 gallon filter. I hope you found this video to be useful and informational. Check out my other pond related videos and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.